My first sample has arrived for my wall decals for kids, and I'm going to do an unboxing today to show you what you get in the kit. The kit's going to come in one of these boxes right to your front door. It's going to show you the decal you order on the top and on the side here. You got your decal inside here. It's going to come taped. Pop that off. Each of these decals comes rolled up inside, and it's a really nice heavy material. It's got a really nice texture to it that helps the paint adhere to the material. I have designed it in a way that you can work on one character at a time. So if you only have a small surface, you can just cut the decal material, store the rest in the tube, and then you have another 4 days to keep your kids busy. All the animals here. Tiger, lion. One of these would take about 2.5 to 3 hours to paint. One little set each, depending on how old your child is, depending on the details. And so what I've done is I've left a line here. So if they just want to paint one at a time, they can totally do that. And just cut it and put the rest back in the decal container. It's the zebra, our last, the elephant, and the monkey. And so then once you unroll everything, you're going to see the paint and the brushes, which I'll explain in a second, an instruction manual. I've also got a number map. I didn't print out the number map because I would have had to print it out the same size as the decal, which was a huge waste of paper. If you go to naranabynumbers.com/maps, you can look up the set that you purchased and you can actually find the maps on there. There is included a color map. The paints come in this bag. Pop off the tape, just in case one of them pops open, then you don't have a mess all over your decals. And this decal comes with 9 colors. They're all different. It totally depends on the decal. This one comes with 9. Let's just come in this bag here too. Again, we're just trying to keep away any mess in case. And then it comes with the 6 brushes here. So we've got a large square brush, a medium square brush, a medium round brush, a smaller square brush, and then a tiny round brush and a tiny square brush. I want to talk about these paint containers for a second. I was really careful in making sure the diameter was way larger than the brush. That way, when your kid's painting, they can just stick it in. They don't have to worry about ramming the brushes against the side. There's quite a bit of extra space, as you can see here. I wanted to make sure that, they weren't damaging the bristles or bending the bristles, especially if they get a set, because they're going to need to use these brushes quite a few times. So I just wanted to make a consideration when I was doing that. So these paint pots are very large. They will definitely do a full set. And most of these decals will cover in one coat. Some of them, like the whites and the light pink, you may have to do a second coat. But honestly, when they're on the wall, you can't even really see the numbers. So really, you can get away with one coat. And there you have it, moms. Hours of entertainment for them and peace and quiet for you.